Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Good. I'm good. Thank you. So, how did you guys spend your weekend? Full enjoy. And this is Ganesh weekend, right? At least you guys should have spent festival, na? Festival should be enjoying, na? You all went to festival, right? No. Yo, 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 yo. So, without going to festival, sitting at hostel, you studied MySQL, right? Anyone in that category? Seriously? Now, anyone tried that lead code 50 SQL questions are there now? No. No Ganesh, no SQL. What you did? Sleep. Seriously. If sleeping festivals are there, like sleeping competitions are there, Indians won medal, especially the women. Now, what's your maximum time you can sleep? Unlimited. It's like Kumbhakarna, right? Seriously. Kannaya. Sir, I am so sad. Don't ask me reason. Why will I ask you reason? But Kannaya, I am also so sad. I know the reason because Kannaya is so sad. It's serious matter, eh? Don't laugh. Serious matter it is. Uh, good. Finally, someone said I practiced. Hammaya. Let's start, right? At least let one person do, re. Let them do. Good. What happened, sir? Nothing, ma. Good. Let's start. File, open folder, practice. Folder name is DBS2. Acha, we'll repeat completely one more time and we'll see the next one. Okay. Last week, everything we did is in the SQL file, sir. For second date and third date and fourth date, fifth date and sixth date. Those were the 4 days we discussed in the last week, which were there. And whatever the topics we discussed, functions, MySQL content, initial introduction, previous classes links, queries, sublanguages, tables, and we are in joins. Okay. I think Friday we discussed only joins, ma. Friday is date 6, na? Huh. I already shared SQL file for date 6. Okay. And I will repeat it one more time. Don't worry. At least you all understand how to create a table, right? That's it. You will get the job. So the job entry is like you know how to create a table, right? Let's create it now. Okay. Now, till now, sir, till now everyone knows we are discussing DBMS, which is RDBMS, which is MySQL. In that we did DDL, create, create kind of, delete kind of, truncate and all we did. And then we did insert, update, delete. Last one, sir, after queries, we are understanding joins. I want at least focus here, ma. Ho gaya now. Joins are used when we have at least more than one table. At least one table is there. If we are having only one table, ma, joins are not possible. That's what people think. But actually, even with one table, also join can be done. That's why they said in definition, at least one table. If you are having two or more tables, then you will have actual joins. Basic concept of joining is joining two tables. But there is one concept of called self join, which we will discuss today. Kind of crazy, but total joins are used to combine tables. Okay. Now, when you are combining tables, you will use this join mechanism. There are 6 kind of joins are there available. The first join which we discussed is inner join. What is that? Inner join. Imagine here one table is there and then another table is there, and the inner join will give you the common data of both the tables. The inner join is used to give the common data of both the tables. Just in a case, sometimes if you forgot to give that word inner also, normal join considered as inner join only. And this inner join will like to give you the common data. Okay. Now let's see what is that common data is for. Now let me explain it diagrammatically. Joins, MySQL, data, images. Now let's take here two tables. Now here, are they related something? No, they're not having relations. Let's see, any two tables are given. I thought images, they will give you two, three tables. Huh. This one is a good example. Now, see this. Now, now, most of the times we use a join called inner join only. Most of the time in industry, we use a join called inner join. And how it will work, sir? See this here, you have a table called persons table and you have a table called orders table. In the persons table, there is P underscore ID, which is a primary key. What does it mean by primary key, sir? Using P underscore ID, you can able to tell a person last name, tell a person's first name, tell person's address, or tell person's city. Using which key you can able to uniquely identify the record is called primary key. That means that key will not repeat and will be always unique and not null. Anyway, there is another thing called orders table. In orders table, P underscore ID is not a primary key. It is a foreign key because it's already existed in someone's table. So it's automatically foreign key. See, foreign key can repeat. You can see that 3, 3, it's repeated. Now, imagine I have an order ID 4. Now, what is the first name of a person who did order number 4? And you will say it like first name Ola. So it's like order number 4 having a PID 1. So we'll go to the PID table and 1 and Ola. Now there are mistakes in it. You can see the mistakes in it. Who did the order number 5? Who did the order number 5? See, actually order number 5 is done by person ID. Is there a person ID 15? Actually, this data is wrong. If you give it like this, it will not take it. Okay. Now, imagine here, if I am printing each order with their person name, each order with their person name, order number 77895, and the name is curry, and order number 44687 678 something, so whatever, and our name is curry, and then 22456 name is Ola, and 24562 name is Ola. Imagine this line is not there. Now if you are giving only this two, sir, this is called inner join, because if you see our first table, in first table there is one more guy, right? How many orders he did? Second guy, nothing. So if you are printing it, how you will print, sir? Ola, 2 orders. Stove, 0 orders. Curry, 2 orders. Like that you should print. But if you use inner join, it will not print the stove guy. Why? Because the stove guy is not present in the second table. Inner join will print only the things which are existed in both. That is a common data. If I use left join, it will print all the details from left table, and right table, it will leave it for null. If I use right join, all the values from right side, it will print. Is it clear, ma? Now, we will see what are the tables. We have it also in our thing, and then we will go forward. Go here. For that, I am using something called Workbench. By now, you all know that how to download Workbench and all. Okay. Now, you can see it. I'm opening it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. I opened it. Now, let's discuss it. Let's see. I have tables here. Till now, we are discussing a table called shop. Okay. Inside the shop, we have two tables. One is customers, one is orders. Let's see what are there in customers. In customers table, customer ID, customer name, customer last name, age, country. These are existed in the customers table. Okay, chhod do. Now, in the orders table, you are having order ID, item, amount, and the customer ID is also there. That means here the customer ID is the foreign key of there. Okay. But there are some values in the customer care, but sorry, in the customer table, but not there in the orders table. There are some values literally which are there in customer table. If I go down in customer table, customer number 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, this Sachin, Tanvi, Raj, Nidhi, Abhishek. These people are not there in the orders table. If you see, they did not order anything. Only 1 to 10 are only ordered. So those people will not come if you are using something called inner join, because inner join like to bring only the common data. Come inside now. Now let's start. Let's do the inner join one more time here. There is a customer table, customers. Sorry. For commenting, you will use dash dash space customers, and in that CID is there, and in F name, L name, customers table have F name, L name, age, country, and orders table have OID, item, amount, CID. Okay. Now don't get confused. There is no table called inner join. Here, two tables are there. You are joining them. When you are joining them, which condition you will use? If you use inner join condition, commonly data only will come. Okay. Now, how do you do that? Now, print the first name, print the first name of customers, along with items they bought, along with items they bought. So, come inside, ma. So Ravi, what products he bought? Okay, Ravi bought keypad. Ravi bought mouse, and Raghav bought something. Okay, like this, I want a list. But items which they bought are in orders table. Names are in the customers table. So you are combining them now. Are you getting my point, sir? So let's start it here, sir. Select what things you wanted, sir. You wanted customers and the orders. So I am taking it C for customers. See, this is some people are thinking it like it's mandatory. No, instead of C, you can put any name. Okay. If you don't want any names, you can take customers, capital table name also you can use. I am not using any table name. That's it. C dot name is F name, comma, C dot F name, comma, O dot item. from. What is C, sir? Customers table only. Consider it as C. Consider it as C. Inner join. Come in, sir. Inner join. Orders table. Orders table as O. Someone is saying it like, sir, instead of C dot F name, why can't I just write it F name? That is okay. But if you are writing just F name, which table is having F name? Customers. You know that. How the system will know that? Systems don't know, na? Either you write it here, C dot F name, or directly write it customers table name, complete table name dot. That means inside the customers table, whatever the F name is there, I want that only. Like that, you should write. Because if you, when two tables are there, if you don't know which table to consider, you have to mention it. That is why you will write it. Now, now go here, C dot F name orders ho gaya. Now, condition. Remember the conditions. When you are using normal conditions, you will use where. When you are using group conditions, you will use having. When you are using join conditions, you will use on. Join conditions, you will use on. Join on these conditions. Okay, basic English. Okay, on. What is the condition? So C denote customer table, O denote order table. Perfect. So C dot, C may CID and O may CID. Both are same. Yes, Sushishwini, it's similar to the import one. So inside customers table, whatever the CID is there, inside orders table, whatever the CID is there, when they are matching, then combine that row. In that row, take it the F name, take it the item. That is what you will do literally also. See, how did you tell it here? Order ID 1 means person name curry. Because order ID 1, you made it here PID. Here PID, you made it equal with here PID. Then only now you get it the name. That is the condition. Okay. It's very simple to understand. And again, I'm telling you, when it become bigger, it is very simple to divert also. You should think it clearly. 90% of the times, even I confuse. So you think clearly. Very simple point. Any doubts here? No. Just run it once. We'll see. The database is not selected, obviously. Use shop. There is one database called shop. There is one database called shop. Let's try it, sir. Now, see, person name Rahul, laptop. Person name Priya, mobile. Person name Kunal, TV. Sonia, headphones. Rohan, again and again, they are bringing it. But the point is, Rahul is getting again one more time laptop back, right or not? So, how many items Rahul bought? One laptop bag and one laptop. Laptop and laptop bag. Can anyone tell me how do you print it like this? Rahul, laptop, comma, laptop bag. Group by, excellent. Group by, so you are grouping by item. Name, you are grouping by name. Acha hai, good. Group by name, which is C dot F name. But okay, you are grouping it. But how do they combine? To combine them, you will use something called group concat. O dot item. Sir, group by is mostly used in the case when you are giving aggregate functions into the select, like concat, group concat, or when you are giving a count, average, sum, those kind of things. Now go here. Online, I hope I am audible to everyone. For some people, if I'm not audible, check it in your mic or something settings ma online. Yeah, let me run it. Now see, Amit, jeans, air conditioner, Isha, something. Then Kunal. Okay, it's coming good. Now Rahul, Ria, Vikram, very good. They are coming. But sir, there are five more people. Sachin is there. Roll number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Those people also there, na? They are also customers only, na? If they bought anything? No, they did not bought it. That is true. But I should know, na, customers. Those people are also there, but they bought it zero, they bought it null. Something I should know, na? How do you print them like that? Left join. How do you do that? Left join. Simple. Instead of inner join, if you use left join, then go here, enter. Now they call Abhishek came. Earlier Abhishek is not there. But this time Abhishek came. How many he bought? Null. And then see, Nidhi is there. Sachin is there. Tanvi is there. Raj is there. These people did not bought anything. Earlier, these people did not come because these people IDs are not there in the second table. Only the common data used to come. But now when you use it the left join, they will come. But how do you exactly tell what is left, what is right? Whatever the table that first comes is called left table. Whatever the table that second comes is called. Now you know what I'm going to do. I will just reverse the order. Control C, Control V. Will it be any problem, sir? Now देखो. Now, will it be any problem here? Problem, no. No problem. But here, will they print that Abhishek details? Will they print Abhishek details? No. Because it will think it like left side all thing I want, the right side I don't want. Now, it is automatically common data only will come here. Because anything which is there in the left table will be there right table because left side is having foreign key. Automatically it will be same. Now, if I want that Abhishek details, what I have to do? Now I want Abhishek table. That means left side table, I want common data. Right side table, full I want. How do you do that? Right join. What you will use? Right join. Right join. Now let's go here. Perfect. So simple. Any doubts, ma? There are three kinds of joins which are basic. Inner join is used to retrieve the common data. Okay. Now, people who are getting confused, no need to get. If I get it here, serial number, student name, and course, student number one, name Ravi, course Java, number two, Shaker, name Python, number three, uh, no, instead of names, I will give IDs 212, 213, Jaya, 214, fourth, Mhm. What I can do? No, Priya. Now let's start it here. If I go here, a table of courses. Now, course number, course name, student number. Now, if I give 121, course name Java, student number 122, course number Python, student number 4, 123, course number data science, student number 4, 124, again C, student number 2, no database course. Now, देखो here. Now, if this is the data, sir, imagine I used something like inner join. And this is imagine this is the first table, this is the second table, left and right. And I'm using inner join. And which person name will not come? Jaya will not come. Now, if I want Jaya details, which one I should use? Left join, because Jaya details is in the left. Jaya details is in the left. Imagine I have some details which are there in the left, but it's not there in the right. This one technically not great, but still, imagine here, if I have 6. Now, I want this 6th guy to come. But yes, then which join you will use? Right join will give all the right table, only common left. Left join will give all the left table, only common right. And the inner join will give common. And in sets, we use this as a something what are these diagrams are called? Some diagrams these are called used to be something in sets. Some, yeah, I know, union intersection. These ones will call Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. Yes. See, this is something. Okay. Now this is the inner join, and this is something of left join, and this is something right join. Only the diagrams I remembered. I don't even remember what is this use. I never used it, unfortunately. Just to explain MySQL joins, we are getting it now. But there is one more thing, sir. Anyone can guess it. What it can be called? What this can be called? A bad diagram, Ray. That is called full join. That is called full join, or some people also call full outer join. Okay, but remember this. Remember this. In MySQL, full join is impossible. MySQL does not support the full join. But sir, how do you get it? What if there is a situation that I want to use full join? Then you will use left join, right join, and combine them. You take left join, you take right join, and combine them. That is called full join. Okay. How do you do that, sir? That means I want left side details and right side details. You will use something like this. I'm gonna take the same thing, sir. Copy. Paste. And here left. See, top I'm writing left join. Bottom I'm writing right join. And in between you put something called union. Union will be used when two queries you are writing and both you wanted to run and then you wanted to execute the value. That is called union. Union, if you give it like two queries will be executed and the result will be shown at once. Okay. This one will give you inner join and outer join both. And here I should not put semicolon. That's the point. Full join is not possible directly using MySQL. MySQL supports only left join, right join, inner join. So to achieve full join, you will take left join and right join and you will put it union in between. Now, someone is saying like when we need it on left side or right side, we can retrieve it in single. Why to use join? No, no, no. You wanted common data also. Imagine you have left side table data and common data, both. Then only you will use left join. If you wanted only one side data, that's a table basically. Okay. That's a table one. Now you wanted something which will satisfy that condition. After satisfying condition only you should take it. You should not take it blindly. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts in this? This is all about thinking. Okay. Now, next two more are there. First one is easy. The last one you have to concentrate anyway. Now, Javed, what you are not getting it, let me know, ma. Now, are everyone clear till now? See, left join will give you common element also. Left join will give you common element also. Right join also will give you common element. Okay. Now, if I do this, देखो. See, now this one gives you left join and right join combinedly. This one will give you left join and right join combinedly. Imagine right side table, we have something which is not there in the left side table. Then that one also will be given here. Okay. Both will be given. That is full join. But this is just a conceptual full join. Okay. There isn't actual full join. You can't write it full join. In Oracle, you can do that actually. Okay. Now, again, I'm telling it. Here, one query is there, na? If you run this query, you will get one output, na? Now, on top, you have another query, na? If you run this also, you will get one output, na? Imagine after getting the two outputs, you are combining. That is called union. What it is called? Union. Join is different. Join is like joining the tables based on a condition and it will give you output. Union will combine the outputs. Okay. Union will basically combines the output, sir. For union, you can use only right join and why should not add left join? Huh? For union, if you put left and right, that will become full join. Just for the concept of full join, I used union. Most of the times I don't use it. Okay. Now, let's start. Go here. Go here. Combine. Now, there is one more thing called cross join. Cross join. Select F name O dot C dot F name O dot uh, item from customers as C, join orders as O, cross join. Sir, without combining also we are getting full data with using left join or right join, Neha. See, that is happening because there is no data in the right join. See, in the right join, you are having only common data. Imagine some data is there in the left table, which is not in the right table. Some data is there in the right table that is not in the left table. Imagine both are having some separate data. Then you should use full data. Here we are not having that condition. Here I put everything. Left side I put about 5 extra. But right side I did not put anything extra. That's why I'm getting the full data in the left join. And when I did right join, what I did, I reversed the things to show you. That's why I'm getting the full. Okay. but it doesn't mean always the same case. Okay, just understand the cases. When I explain one case, all cases may not be similar. Now, 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 देखो here. What is this is? In childhood, we used to, not childhood, like in intermediate, I think there is one chapter called permutation combination. Did you guys remember? Cross join bole to basically permutation combination. Imagine here, if you don't remember, no worries. I also remembered it after I see this only. Now, A, B, C. Imagine in one table, A, B, C are there. Okay. Now, in another table, something like 1, 2, 3. Now you can put, okay, someone remember too bad, like NCR, NPR. I don't know what that means. Now, chhod the re, no formulas. Now, here you can combine them. That means how many combinations? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. That is called cross join. Cross join bole to if you give two columns from two tables, you don't need to give any conditions. It will take all the columns from first table, one table, and all the columns from second table, and then it will only give you all possibilities of combinations. Like for example, laptop is there in second table item. This Abhishek did not buy laptop. If Abhishek buy laptop, Abhishek and laptop. If Nidhi bought laptop, Nidhi and laptop. If Raj bought, Raj and laptop. Like this for 15 people laptops. And again 15 people and another item. 15 people and another item. Like that it will give you combinations. That is called cross join. Okay. 99.99% we won't use this. Just to understand the possibilities, we will do these things. Okay. Which is called cross join. If interviews they will ask you, you no need to panic. Till now, any doubts, ma? Once you understand this, put your mind for refresh. We are going to discuss something so silly, but need to be focused. Okay, which is called self join. Now, online is it clear, ma? Cross join. Cross join is like combination. Cross join is like combination. See, for all people laptop, for all people TV, for all people watch, for all people t-shirt, all people saree, like that. Okay, whatever the items are there. Now, it's a combination one. Now, last but not least, once you understand this, almost you can do anything, which is self join. Which is self join. Which is self join. I will show you one table so that you will understand somewhat clearly on the self join. After inner join, the most widely used join in the industry is self join only. Okay. Now, how this thing will be used, let me show you some paint. Is there cross join is nothing but just combinations. You take any two columns in two tables and just give some kind of data in it. Just a combination. Okay, you will get it. Try to use this much big. Now, this is one table, sir, which is employee table. Employee table. We are having employee ID, employee name, manager ID. Employee ID 11, name Raj, Jaya. Now 12, Yutika. Sir, ID kada? 122. Oh, sorry, 12. Yutika, 12. And for this one, 14. For 13, uh, I'm not getting the name suggestions only. Now here, 12. Now 14. John. Okay, someone is giving online some suggestion. Let's go with that. Now, mhm. Now, oh, array, online is filled with the names of girls. I don't know why. And the interesting point is all the people who give the girl suggestions are boys. Why Satish? Why Pavitra? Tell me. That's not good. Now, anyway, online, see this one. Now, who is the manager of everyone? Who is the manager of Yutika? Everyone, see this. Who is the manager of Yutika? Supriya, right? Who is the manager of Priya? Yutika. How you are telling this? You know, are you having two tables here? You are actually combining one table to itself. Understand your process. Your mind is going with this. It's like understanding, like, oh, he is asking the manager of Priya. So Priya manager is 12. Then again, who is having 12 here? So automatically the name is Yutika. You are combining one table with itself, right? You are combining the table to itself, na? And this is called self join. Now, how do you do that easily? We will do it like this. Now here, if I select this whole, shit. Okay, I will directly create it in Workbench. Paint is also danger now. Now, I am creating the tables are directly. Create table. Sir, you said you love art. I love art, not paint. Now, create table, employees, employees. Now, I am adding the similar one, sir. Employee number, which is integer. Okay. You can put auto increment or something. I'm not going to touch anything. Comma. And uh, and employee name, varchar 20, comma, manager ID, int. Insert into employees values, Let's enter it quickly. 12 comma uh, name 1. Let's use this Raj, comma 13, 13 comma Satish, comma 13 is 14, and 14 comma online. You can hear here. I think, where did my voice gone, Re? Now go here. Next, I can leave it for empty. Then comma 15 comma JR. Go here 13, 14 empty, and then 14. हो गया. What is the error, Ray, here? Because I did not give the value. I should give some value, na? If I don't give the value, I can leave it comma. That is remove it. Simple. Now I'm just giving the value, sir. Let's click yes. Column count doesn't match. Okay. Every MID is null. Go with null. I will give it null. Simple. Now no problem. Create table is error because already created it is earlier. Now values are existed. Good. Go here. Go here. हो गया. Now let's go here. Left side. Let's see employees. Let's go and see the employees details. Now, now so simple. Now if I ask the who is the manager for Raj? Who is the manager for Raj? Satish. Now I want you to print employee name and their manager name side by side. Employee name and manager name. But here, how many tables are there? One. People will go with the minimum two tables of, two tables, minimum two tables. So that is why they will think this one table only, two copies. Take this one table only, two copies. First time we will take it as one table, and second time we'll consider it as another table. Literally, they are drawing the same table two times, sir. Now, go here. Now, print, print, employee names, employee name with their manager name, with their manager name. Print the employee name with their manager name. Print the employee name with their manager name. Now, first one. Select. I want it like employee name, right? They are having it only one column. See it here. Only one table is there. Understand this clearly. This table, what is the column name? Ename. Both are enames only. Right or not? Both are enames only. Now you go here. I will say t1 dot ename, comma t2 dot ename. What is T1? That table only. What is T2? Same table. I am comparing the two tables side by side. Okay. Now, from from table name employees as T1, self join, just write join. I think in MySQL, just join, go with that. Join is not taking in a join is taking this one. Then employees, here also employees as T2. What is the condition, sir? In T1, in table 1, employee ID should be equals to in table 2 MID. You are comparing that table with that table only now. But for the normal people, it may get confused. So that's why I'm saying it like make the table only another copy and compare this table ka MID with that table ka EID, which is actually same, right? Because you are copying it, right or not? Just imagine copying the tables, ma. Then you will understand it clearly. Okay. Now, if I do this, sir, ENO, ENO. Now see, name. Any doubts? Now I will write it here as manager, comma, as employee. Simple. This is called self join. That table with that table only will do. Mostly by tomorrow, your MySQL will be over. No, हो गया हो. हाँ. We will discuss now subqueries. We will discuss now subqueries. And then we need to discuss what are views, what are functions, stored procedures, indexes. They all will happen it in a seconds. They all will be in a quick manner they will go. Why? Because actually they are not much needed. Okay. They all will be completed in one day. And day after tomorrow we'll do one project. Yeah, we'll do one data analysis project now. Yeah. What is this, Ray? Did you understand till now what we discussed? Did you guys started practicing? That is the point. So, एक काम कर. Whether you understand it completely or not, to know that, open one thing, lead code and slash problems, and open your first one. And someone is asking how to download MySQL, Ray. That is really savage. I can't tell you only. I will quit my job. Now, complete this. Okay. But still the topics like functions and all I will explain you. Don't worry. Functions are there, stored procedures are there. Those things I will not leave. But majorly will come to these things only. So see, select, basic joins, basic aggregate functions, sorting and groupings, or advanced select and joins, or subqueries, which we will discuss now. Okay. I want you guys to do these things so that you will get it more and more in detail. Okay. Now, let's start here. The next topic of today, which is very important, subqueries. If time is there, we'll discuss today only index views also. Yeah. Views, stored procedures will discuss. Those things will be very important. Now, if anyone wants somewhat practice, sir, open those things and try it, sir. Okay. If it's completed early, then if project completed early on the Wednesday, I will only do it that 50 challenges also. Okay. Or in case, or just in case, when you are trying it any of that 50, you stuck it any place, tell me that one, I will repeat it. Okay. That makes it better sense. Now, subqueries. Performing a query, performing a query on top of another query result. Another query result. Performing a query on top of another query results is known as subquery. It's like one query will work on the process of another query. Let me take it here. Some students list. Go here. Let me show you. Performing a query on top of another query result is known as subquery. Now here, something students or some kind of data are there, or which data I can take. Products, employees. No, I'm not having anything here. Or school. I have a table of sensei. In this, anything is there? Okay. Now, listen. Everyone, listen. Now here, sensei is a table of teachers, right? Now in these teachers, some persons are having 25,000, some persons are having 30,000, some people are having 28,000, some salary they are having it. Imagine I want to calculate average salary. How do you calculate average salary? Average, AVG function is there, aggregate function, no doubts. But I want teachers, I want teachers whose salary, I want teachers whose salary is greater than average salary. Are you getting my point, sir? See, imagine average is like some threshold, some kind of margin. If average salary is 30,000, how many people are like what people are greater than 30,000? For this, what you have to do, sir, understand the question. Question is very simple, ma. Understand the question. List of teachers whose salary is greater than average salary. Average spelling is wrong only. So, first you have to calculate average salary. Then only you can do it, right or not? So you are doing one query first. What is that query? Finding average salary. On that query result, you are performing another query. First subqueries will run, then only main queries will run. Okay. Now, how do you do that? Here, select teacher's name, teacher's name from table name Sansai, where salary will be greater than. What is the average greater than average salary? But how did you get average salary? You have to calculate, right or not? For that, again, I will put brackets. I will write it here again in another query. Select AVG of salary from Sensei group by, sorry, average salary. You don't need to use group by, na? You will get average salary directly, right? Yeah. And I forgot to use the database, ma. Use uh, use school. See the query, sir. Select TC name from Sensei where salary greater than select AVG salary from Sensei. First select AVG salary from Sensei will run. When it run, it will come average salary. And that average, first this subquery will run. Then that subquery answer will be placed there. Imagine 30,000 or 40,000, some answer will come. That answer will be placed AVG greater than 30,000, AVG greater than 40,000. It will only calculate. You don't need to calculate. Okay. Writing one query result based on another query is known as subqueries. What is this called? Subqueries. Now go here, write it here. Now these are the people who are having salaries greater than average salary. I can print their salaries also. These salaries are greater than some kind of salary. Maybe average salary is some kind of 32 or something. Okay, maybe always all are greater than 32,000 something. There are some people who are having 25, 28, but those people are not there here in this table. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, sir? Any doubts here? This is called subquery. One query used for another query. Now someone is saying it like, why can't I write it salary, average salary? It won't work because AVJ salary, AVG, this aggregate functions should be used in select only. Average salary and all should be used in the select aggregate functions. You should not use them min or max, something kind of one. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts, sir? No. No. Where condition will not use aggregate functions, right? No, it will not. Where conditions will not use aggregate functions. Okay. Only where condition is using an another subquery, in that aggregate functions are there. Always select only is used it. Now, let's start, sir. Now, I'm gonna tell you one more interesting thing. See, I think you all know basic operators, sir. Operators are same. Plus is used for addition, minus is used for subtraction, slash, modulo, all the things were there. There is some like operators. Imagine I want the people names. Only few operators are different, actually. Okay. Okay. Someone asked a question, Arishwar, which query run first? Subquery will run first always. Okay. Just on the note, I'm telling it. Subqueries will run first. We'll just give you a quick glance about operators, but most I want to tell you one interesting topic, which is Kaggle. I will tell you Kaggle data once it is done. Now, now listen to this, ma. Anyway, now listen to this. Why don't you give me marks to me, sir? Sarle. Now, next one, uh, where we are. Uh, Now see, sir, basic operators are same, ma. Plus, minus, asterisk, slash, modulo. This modulo is used for either a like operator. You can use the modulo for like operator, or you can use it for two numbers, between two numbers per reminder. What is this like operator is? I want the people whose name ending with Sharma. I want people whose name starting with yes. If you write it here a condition like where e name is equals to mod yes modulo. What is this means? Yes, starting with yes. After that, yes, anything. Modulus means anything. Yes, A may be there. Yes, maybe yes B there. Yes, C may be there, or yes, A B C D may be there. Anything, any number of letters. Anything, any number of letters after yes. Okay. Now, what is this? Starting with yes, ending with yes. Okay. In middle, something is there. Okay. Like this. Now, is it clear, ma? Now, or there is one more thing. You can use underscore. Underscore means only one letter is allowed. Underscore means only one like this. So many are there, like a blast of things are there, but slowly by experience you will learn this. Underscore means one letter only, like something A or B or C or something, one letter is there. After the second letter is S. Second letter is only S. If I give it here modulus, first second letter may be S, third letter may be S, even the first letter also may be S, because modular means anything, may be there, may not be there also. Okay, always it allows. Is it clear, ma? Now, percentage yes means this name may be, see, if I give name Prasad, it's a valid one. Why? Because before yes, PRA is there, and that PRA is also modulus. Okay, but after S should not be there, because after S I did not give anything. Press is valid. This is valid. Okay, but if I give it same thing like this, yes. Now if I give it like this, then if I give Prasad, it's not valid. What valid is this? Because second letter is S. Is it clear, ma? And it should have only two letters here. Modulus means any number of letters, anything. That's also called like operator. And this underscore is single like operator. That means only one letter will be there on that place. Equals to, if you want to put anywhere, you will put equals to only. But if you want to put not equals to, you will put something like this. Not equals to is this. This is called not equals to in MySQL. In programming languages, you will put exclamation, not. But here you will write this. You can even write not equals to, NOT also. NOT equal to, you can write it directly. But if you want to use it as symbol, this is the one. Remaining all are same. Greater than, less than, less than. Okay, greater than equals to, greater than and equals to, less than equals to, less than equals to, or and or not. The logical gates. Okay. These all are similar, sir. Only these were strange ones. If you are using a conditions, if you are using a conditions, main important ones, single letters underscore, and any number of letters you will use modulus. Single letter underscore, any number of letters you will use modulus, and then less than and greater than symbol is called for not equals to. Is used for not equals to. Now, sir, where I can practice? Imagine I don't wanted to do lead code. I wanted to become data analyst. I wanted to have my own data. You know where you will get your own data to understand? There is one website called Kaggle. Does anyone knows about Kaggle here? If you go to a website called Kaggle, sir, Kaggle have thousands of database, especially as a Java people. Here, sorry, not Java, Python people. All the Python people, it's a mandatory, this website. Because when you learn machine learning and data science, you need some data to provide. If you want to train your machine, if you are training one machine, then how do you train your machine without data? Right or not? When you are doing data science, how do you get that data? Kaggle will give you. Imagine in Kaggle, I'm just taking some data. Data sets. Go here. What kind of data sets you want? I will go here. India trade, India suicides, India crime. Okay, go with the crime. Now, state-wise, from 2001 is a classified according to 40 factors. Now it is having 75 plus CVV files. Okay, that is not what I expect. I don't want that many files. I want it like any one only. I want a simple one because that much data I'm not able to do it. Let's go with the suicide one. How many it is having it? Only one. From 2001 to 2000. Okay, Kannaya. Okay, so sorry. He is already in a sad mood. Why to disturb that? Chod do. Education in India. Good. Funny joke one. Let's see. Strict wise education. No need. Why re? Why data are like this re? India air quality worst. Shark India. Hey, how many of you watch this show, re? Shark India? Shark Tank. That's Shark Tank. You all watch na Indian or US ones? How many? Raise your hands. And at least these people have aims, re. Reminding people what you will do, re. What you will watch. Big Boss? Ah, yes. Go to that house only. Akal people. Okay, I am just downloading this, sir. Okay, whether you watch it or not, I'm just giving you a glance. There were some people who have aims to build something new. So those people will bring their ideas and these people will accept or reject based on the sales pitch which they did. Now, forget about Shark India. Here we are having a data. Now let's see our data, sir. First download it, extract. I'm extracting it. Dekho, this is some data, sir. Interesting point is I did not created this data. Someone already created this data. I will first create a MySQL. Don't worry, I will not tape. I will directly import this MySQL into that. I will show you how to import the data. Okay. You can directly import it without creating. Okay. Now, I will show you import also. Now, what is this data contain? Just a quick glance. Now, see, it is having pitch number. It is having brand name. It is having idea. It is having investment, how much investment they had. And it is having, that's it. This is waste data. You can't analyze it because it is already analyzed data. I want it like analysis I wanted to do. It's already done. Hmm? IMDb Indian movies. Is it at least one file? You go at least in movies data is good. Open it. What we are having, name of the movie, year of the movie, duration of the movie, drama, rating, votes, director, actors. Now, dekho. Now here, almost you are having a data of 15,000 movies. Guys, understand the logic behind it. Now you are having some 15,000 unknowns, some movies are there. Okay. Even I don't know what are the movies. Something Julmi, something is there. But the point is, it's not about the movie names and all. It's about data. When you are having 15,000 data, imagine this is a real time data, and you started to analyze it. Like, which type of genre got more success rate? Now, in this 15,000, which genre is having highest success rate? Drama, how many are there? Or comedy, how many are there? Or some another drama, how many are there? Give it a list. Second, which director is having more number of movies? Give it a success rate. Which actors have more number of success rate? Give it a success rate. Okay. Or which number of year is having a more success rate? Give it another thing. Or how many movies got more than 9? Give it in a list. Like this, when you are having it, guys, when you are having it a data like this split, then you will analyze. Oh, next time when I'm doing something, I should give it something like how drama movies, because they are having more success rate. This kind of actors have more success rate. This director is having more success rate. When I combine them all, I will expect this movie will become success again. Are you getting my point, ma? That is how people analyze the data. The data might be 100%, might not be 100% true, but 90% data only will become true. I have so many datas. I will give you some datas here. I have some datas here. Uh, Now, where is this data? Somewhere I download it. This is the file. This is the Shark Tank India, which I thought. Now, see, I have another Shark Tank India also. In this, it is having which industry it is having anchor, it is having business, everything it is having. So, if you want to start a startup, which industry is having more success rate? Which kind of, how much investment got? Which place is having more success rate? For example, in Bangalore, out of 100, 80 startups are there in Bangalore, or out of 80 startups which came from Bangalore, 20 startups are getting it, pitch success. They are getting more investment. Then I will be feeling happy. Oh, so I should start from Bangalore so that I will have more inclination. Are you getting my point, ma? You analyze the data so that you will know the pinpoints of wherever you want to go. How do you import it? Let me go here. I will save this file. I have it here in the desktop. Shark Tank. The file name is CSV format. Now, now, now go here. Let's go here, MySQL. Now, let me create a database, sir, everyone. I will directly create it here only. Database name, test, apply, apply, finish, refresh, go here, test, go here, create, go here, down, tables, right click. Can you see here one option, everyone? Can you see here one option called table data import wizard? Where did you get it? Again, I'm showing it to you. I created one database which is test. You write it, create database test also. Last ones also, please listen to this, ma. Important. When I created empty database, go to tables, right click. Can you see here import table data import wizard? Click on this. Now one data wizard will come. It will ask you to select. File should be CSV file, not Excel file. CSV is also similar to Excel only. Comma separated values it will be. Okay. When you are saving a file, you can show that. Now go here. I am going into desktop. I just now shared something Shark Tank. Open. Now, next, I selected the file. Next. If you are already having a table, it will ask you to select that table. No, I am not having any table here. I am just saying it like create a new table. Create a new table. Okay. Now, in that test database, it will create a table named Shark Tank and I will click on next. Is it clear, ma? Next. Now see what columns in that Excel file already columns are there, na? In that my Excel some columns are there. You can see my columns are having it like season number, startup name, episode number, pitch number, all are there. Those things it is only creating the data type. You check data types. See this many columns it is creating, ma. You check the data types once. Always I'm telling you, import wizard is in test phase. They are in beta phase. Still they are not great. Sometimes it will give you wrong data type also. You check it once. If all data types are right, and then click next, and then it will only import it. Next, it will import, sir. It will take time and it will only import it. How many values it imported? Only 37 records, sir. Why? Incorrect. Something it is saying it. Drop the table if it is having it. Someone is saying it like text means where karma. Incorrect integer value for Anshir Namita something. See, I told you you should check it the data types. Somewhere the data type which is needs to be name, I got it the integer. Okay. That is why only 37 records came. But still, that is a win-to-win situation for me. Go here. Can you see here data ma? Now tables. There is one table created here. Go. Table. Now click here. See. Can you see here one table came? Now everyone see this table ma? In this table, what are there? Season number, startup name, episode number, pitch number, season date, end date, original air date, episode title, anchor, industry, business, company website, and all I have details. This many details I have. Like this 37 records I have. Actually, if you take care, you will get it more number of records. Why we are using this? Now take some 1000 records data, at least 500 records data, and analyze it. This is our main project in day after yesterday, day after tomorrow. Okay, day after tomorrow we will do this only main project, and we will explain to you what is what. Okay, but in the meanwhile, I want you to try. If you are not want to go with the SQL 50, try this challenge. Take it any data you want. If you are interested in IPL data, you can take it IPL data and analyze, or movies data and analyze, or cars data, or some kind of this business data. Take it some data and analyze. It will also help you in your Python career, ma, because see here people will do Python code also to analyze. I don't know how they will do, but if you go inside, you can see it actually. They will create, see, movie rating. They use this table and they created movie rating using Python. They will do some kind of program here. Using this database only, they will create some kind of program, sir. You try to see that, you will understand something. Okay. If any one of you from data science department, NumPy and all, it will help you. Okay. If anyone, any type of database CSV file will be there here. Okay. For example, someone said they want cars data. If I type it cars data set, annotation, process, conclusions, I don't know. Cars data set, someone said it. Go here. Kaggle is free only. Almost Kaggle is free, 100%. In Kaggle, you have more things also. I don't want code and all. Someone did cars, but it is code. No, I wanted only data sets. Go here. See, used cars data set or US cars data set or cars data set. You go here and then download it and then run it. Which car is good? Which car is having which mileage, and which car is going in which country wise? Like that, you give some analysis to me. In our project, we will do Power BI also day after tomorrow. I will show you the complete data analysis. Okay. Any doubts here? But try SQL 50. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss more. That's it for today. Thank you all. Yeah. If any doubts are there, you can ask ma. No doubts, you can leave. Javed Khan video link is not available for today one. I will push the whole thing into the data GitHub ma. Don't worry. యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ కాదు, గిటాబ్ లింక్ ఐడియా ఉందా నీకు? నా ఇప్పుడు గిటాబ్ లింక్ ఐడియా ఉందా? ఆ గిటాబ్ లింక్ లోనే పెట్టాను నేను. ప్రీవియస్ లింక్స్ అని ఉంటాయి. ప్రీవియస్ లింక్స్ అని ఉంటుంది చూడు.